Today we are dissecting the abdominal muscles of Mr. Whiskers. First we have the rectus abdominis, which is along both sides of the midline, and they make up what is known as like the ab or six-pack muscles. Whenever you're doing the dissection, you want to make your first cut to the far side of the rectus abdominis, not down the middle like you'll see in our cat. That is actually from our skinning, so you do not want to make this cut right here. You want to start right there. And then you'll want to cut back along the side of the cat, and it'll be a very thin muscle that you're cutting. The top layer is what's known as the external oblique, and the fibers will run in a certain direction. And you'll pull that muscle back so you can see the internal oblique and the transverse abdominis. Towards the back part you have the internal oblique muscle, and then it ends at, you'll be able to see a little line, and then the next muscle to the side of it is actually part of the transverse abdominis, which then continues and goes underneath the internal oblique. Along the side of this muscle, you'll want to try to separate the two from each other towards the back. It'll be kind of difficult to separate because it is they're both very thin muscles, but if you can try to separate it, that would be best. You'll be able to tell the difference between the two muscles because the fibers will be running in different directions.